Alright, Auto D here today. I got another video. I got the wife's car today. She got a 2005 Nissan Murano. And we're going to try to fix a door handle today. So as you can see, we got a piece that's broke. Alright, so we got the new piece right here. See that? So we got the door open now. So next phase, we got to take this piece out right here, which is a star key. And this one is T30. Alright, star key. See the edge? This goes right here. So, wow, I thought I would need to remove the panel, but look at that. I don't even need to do all that. So pretty much, if you have a smart key system in your car, in your Nissan Murano 2005 or similar, pretty much you can just pop this black piece out. Just push it with your finger, it pops right out. See, I moved the panel and I didn't even have to do that. Wow. So this is the new one. So you just have this, just pop this on in, this side. Okay. Just pop this on in. Okay. You have to secure it right here to this piece. Secure the wire. Again, you don't even need to remove the panel. I thought I had to do it, but turns out I didn't. So you just secure this wire in this little circle here, and just pop it right on in right here, and then we'll see. I'll be right back to you. All right. Now this is the new door handle right here. So it turns out you don't even need to take off the door panel. See, I did all that extra work for nothing. When you have to replace this, all you have to do is just push this and it pops right on out. See, now I'm going to put the cover on, and this goes right here. And then I'm going to secure it with a screw. Okay. So this is the old piece. This is the old door handle. Yeah, this is it. Okay. So, as you can see, this piece right here is the one that fell off. My wife says she heard. All right, I'm back. Okay, so got the door handle put on here. A little bit difficult, but so let me give you a full recap. So now, if you ever have a problem with your door handle, so this piece right here, this comes off. Okay, and the reason this piece comes off is because when you pull the door handle, this right here is attached to another piece right there. I'm not sure if you can see that. See that little black piece is pulling on that? Okay, so you do not need to remove the door panel. I removed my door panel, but further investigation, I don't need to remove the door panel. Alright, so all done. Okay. Alright, so This is if you have I'm sure most of the Nissans are all the same. So this is if you have an '05 Nissan Murano. Okay, this is the new door handle here. All right, you unfasten this screw right there. Right there. You're gonna need a T30. Gonna need a T30. See that right there? T30 star hex. Okay. So this little button here, you don't even need to take the door panel off. This is gonna pop right out. This piece is gonna pop right out. You can use the old piece from the previous handle. So this piece, once you get the door handle off, this piece just pops right out. Okay? Now it's gonna be a little tricky because you're gonna have to adjust this. You're gonna have to adjust this lock here. In order for it to go in order for this handle to go in, it's gonna be a little piece. It's gonna be like this. And then this handle is just hooks onto this piece right here. Okay, so it's going to be a little tricky. It took me a few minutes to get it, but other than that, I mean, that's it. Undo this screw here. Once you undo this screw here, there's a fastener there, so it shouldn't fall. It shouldn't fall. It's a plastic fastener right there, so it shouldn't fall in the door. Okay. So, summary, you just broken handle. This smart key right here just pops right out of the door handle. Pop a new one in. Make sure you secure it under. It's a screw right there, screw right here. So then, when you're putting this in, you may have to push it in. Give it a little force. Push it so it can secure itself around that hook. In order to open the door. Alright, so that's it. Door is fixed. So if you like the video, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up while you're at it. Alright.